Hey there, my Autumn Haze family. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about life after 50, the good, the bad, and the beautifully unexpected. Now, I want you to do something for me. Grab a coffee, a cup of tea, etc., because today we're diving into a topic that's a little tough, but oh so important. Turning 50 is a milestone, but it also comes with some harsh realities that most of us were never prepared for. Some hit us like a ton of bricks, while others creep in slowly until one day we wake up and say, wow, is this really my life now? But here's the thing. While these realities are tough, they don't define us. There is so much strength, wisdom, and opportunity in this stage of life. And by the end of this video, I hope you'll feel empowered, not discouraged. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Now, let's talk about it. 1. Time starts moving at warp speed. It feels like just yesterday we were 30 and full of possibilities. And now suddenly we're 50, wondering where the time went. Did you know? Studies show that as we age, our perception of time speeds up. The years begin to blend together, making life feel like it's racing by. And why does this happen? We stop experiencing as many firsts in life. Daily routines become repetitive. Responsibilities take over, leaving little time for spontaneity. So, how to slow it down? Break the routine. Try something new every month. Travel, take a class, or even switch up your daily schedule. Live with intention, because time waits for no one. 2. Ageism is real, especially in the workplace. This one is a bitter pill to swallow. Fact: over 65% of workers aged 50 plus say they've faced age discrimination in hiring or promotions. Suddenly, younger colleagues are getting more opportunities and we're seen as less adaptable or out of touch. So, what can you do? Stay ahead by learning new skills. Upskilling is key. Network with people who see your value, not your age.
Remember, your experience is your superpower.
Companies need seasoned professionals more than they admit. Comment below. Have you ever felt overlooked because of your age? 3. Friendships and social circles start shrinking. Let's be real. Making friends in our 50s isn't as easy as it was in our 20s. People get busy, move away, or simply drift apart. Why does this happen? Family responsibilities take priority. Retirement changes daily routines. Longtime friendships fade without effort to maintain them. How to fix it? Join local groups. Whether it's fitness, travel, or book clubs, reconnect with old friends. Chances are they miss you too. Don't be afraid to make new connections. Your best friendships may still be ahead of you. 4. You become the caregiver. Instead of being cared for, it's a strange shift. One day, our parents are our protectors, and the next, we're the ones taking care of them. Fact: over 40 million Americans are currently unpaid caregivers for aging parents. What makes this so hard? 1. Balancing work, personal life, and caregiving. 2. Watching loved ones decline in health. 3. Feeling like you're suddenly responsible for everything. How to navigate this? 1. Ask for help. You don't have to do it alone. 2. Set boundaries to avoid burnout. 3. Take care of yourself too, because you can't pour from an empty cup. 5. You start questioning, is this it?
This is the big one.
For many of us, 50 is the moment we stop and reflect. Have we lived the life we wanted? Or have we been stuck on autopilot? Common thoughts at this stage: I wish I had taken more risks. I don't feel as needed anymore. Am I really happy or just comfortable? How to reclaim your spark? It's not too late to change your story. Start that passion project. Switch careers, travel, live boldly. Remember, your second act can be even greater than your first. These realities may be harsh, but here's the truth. 50 is not the end. It's a transition, a chance to rewrite your story, embrace your wisdom, and live with purpose. Which one of these hit home for you the most?
Let's talk in the comments.
If you enjoyed this video and like my content, consider making sure to like this video. Subscribe for more real talk about life after 50. Share this with someone who needs to hear it.
And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Autumn Haze.